Assalamu alaikum students. I am your English teacher and this is your grammar class. In the previous video, we learned about the first four parts of speech and now we are going to resume our lesson from the next one. Okay, be ready now. Previously we did about noun, pronoun, verb and adjective. And today we are going to start from adverb. Adverb is the fifth part of speech. It is a word that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. In other words, we can say it explains to the meaning of a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It adds information to that word. Look at the examples. Ram writes very neatly. Now, neatly here is an adverb of manner. Driver was driving dangerously. Dangerously is here also an adverb of manner. That day he arrived late. Now late here is the adverb of time. There are basically five kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of degree, and adverb of frequency. But you will learn about it in your later lessons. Okay, now come to the next one. Preposition. Preposition is a word used before a noun or pronoun to show its relationship with other things, or we can say it shows the location of things with respect to its surroundings. Look at the example. She comes to college on bus. Now to and on are the prepositions. Cows are grazing in the field. In here is a preposition. He is fond of tea. Of here is preposition. Understand? In, on, off, under, out, in front of, these are all types of prepositions. Now next is conjunction. Conjunction is a part of speech which joins two sentences or two words. For example, we can say that they are the linking or connecting words between the clauses and between the words. They were sleeping when I arrived. Now, when here is a conjunction that joining the first and the second part of the sentence. He told me that the bank had closed. That here is connecting word, so it is a conjunction. The sun appeared and the fog disappeared. And here is conjunction. Understand? Now come to the last one. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings or emotions. These are those words which are uttered from our when we utter our emotions or feelings in the form of words. Now look here. Sometimes we are feeling joy. Sometimes we are in surprise or sorrow or pain. So these are all the feelings and emotions. So when we meet these emotions, then few words come out from our mouth, and these are called interjections. Now here, hurrah. Hurrah is a feeling of joy. Hurrah, we have won the match. Alas. Alas is the feeling of sorrow. Alas, I have lost my purse. Oh, I got such a fright. Now it is a feeling of pain. Now you understand that certain emotions and feelings in the form of words is called interjection. Now up till now we have completed all the 8 parts of speech, and you need to learn all these with definitions and examples. And next time I'll produce a worksheet for you, and you will do it as a test. Okay? Understand? Good. Allah Hafiz.